everyone, good morning. My name is Vitor, and today I will present my RP work in progress. Today I will introduce my RP topic with background and with the reasons for my choice. After I will talk about the process to select my topic, and then in the end of the presentation, talk about some difficult and positive experience during my research. This is my RP talk. It's a comparison of environmental impacts of steel and concrete multi-level buildings in Australia using LCA. This is a background. Construction and operation of buildings have a significant environmental impact in Australia. About 20% of energy consumed and GHG emissions. GHG is greenhouse gas, which increases the global warming. Steel and concrete are the most common multi-level building materials in Australia. And life cycle assessment, or LCA, is the best methodology to evaluate environmental impacts of buildings. I chose this topic because it's a current issue. There is a good range of resources available for my research. It's easy for non-specialized audience because there is common words, keywords about this topic. And it's related to my major, civil engineering. So it's perfect for my IP talk. This is the process to select my topic. First, my initial topic was advance of steel framing over concrete structure in buildings. But when I start my research, I realized that there is a general topic and there are few resources available. So Eva said that I could focus on environment impacts, and I enjoyed this idea. And then I start again new research. So I found a good range of resources in the library, in the website, and during my research, I learned about the life cycle assessment. I didn't know about it before. And then I could realize that it's a most common method to evaluate and analyze environmental impacts of buildings. Another point is that location is important because on the aspects of environmental impacts is the transportation of materials. So, for example, New Zealand needs to import steel from Australia to build some buildings in New Zealand. So the transportation is in New Zealand, and in the case of steel, it's a good problem because it comes from Australia. So my focusing would be in Australia, just to narrow to specific the distance of the transportation. And then from the other readings, I realized that steel, that is not evident that steel has less environmental impacts than concrete. And then I changed the word advantage to the word comparison, because I don't know exactly what is better. And with these three aspects, I defined my topic for this one. In order to complete my research, I need to found articles about LCA, specific articles about LCA about the stage of construction of steel buildings and stage of construction of concrete buildings. And then I need to find an Australian case study to compare with numbers, quantitative comparison. And it was hard to find, but I got it. Organize ideas in my outline was a little difficult because there are many resources, many information about this topic, so I need to narrow a little. But I faced some positive experience. For example, the BSL2 lecture, I learned about how to research better, and then from this research, I learned new vocabulary and new knowledge about this topic. It's good for my major. Thank you for listening.